I'll take you through the key global cues today. In fact, if you look at the Asian stocks, that they have traded mixed after soft economic data weighed on the US equities. The spotlight will be on China, where stocks on Tuesday surged the most since July. Stocks in Australia were down 0.13%, while Kospi was up close to around 0.3% in trade. In US, stocks wiped out early gains and finished lower as inflationary signals from the latest economic reports overshadowed the dovish reassurances from several Federal Reserve officials. In fact, reports showed that US new home sales slid and consumer confidence retreated slightly amid concerns about inflation and jobs. Federal Reserve officials continued to downplay rising price pressures and reiterated that the central bank can take steps to cool a jump in inflation if it occurs without derailing the economic rebound coming out of the pandemic. In fact, Bitcoin was back nearly around $37,600 on Tuesday as Elon Musk said he was having discussions with Bitcoin miners regarding the overall sustainability. The benchmark 10-year yield hit a fresh 2-week low to 1.557% and helped to dampen the inflation concerns. The yield, in fact, had climbed to as high as 1.77% at the end of March. And in fact, yes, even the US dollar continues to be slightly under pressure. We have seen very recently US dollar, in fact, going below the 90 levels at a near 5-month low. In fact, Dow Jones was down 0.24% at 34,312, while the S&P was down 0.21% as well. Nasdaq was trading flat. Stocks in Europe closed mixed as $1 billion Germany property deal and a rally in technology shares were offset by losses in major mining stocks due to the concerns over the Chinese markets. Technology shares rallied 1.3% after their Wall Street peers climbed overnight on fresh insistence from US Federal Reserve officials that loose policy is likely to stay. Miners lagged their European peers with a 1.7% loss as China said it would strengthen price controls on key commodities after warning against hoarding and speculation to cool a blistering rally in prices of industrial commodities. Investors weighed data that showed the German economy shrank more than expected in the first quarter against improving business morale in May, with companies turning more upbeat in the light of falling COVID infections and steps towards reopening. DAX was up 0.18% while CAC was down 0.3%. FTSE was down nearly around 0.3% in trade. Oil did fall further to 0.3% to $66 a barrel, while gold futures has continued to rise. Gold futures did rise 0.9% to $1903 an ounce, and volatility in global on the back of volatility in global markets and fear of rising inflation. And of course, we've already seen dollar, in fact, weakening versus most major currencies. Thank you for watching.